Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can change your YouTube channel name on Android, or if you want to change your iPhone, the process is same. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube. So once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on your channel icon on the top right, and then you need to click on your channel. So once you are here, you simply need to click on this pencil icon, and here you can see name. You simply need to click on this pencil, and here you can see your name. You can change your name, and here you can see that your name will be visible to all users on YouTube. Change to your name will be reflected on your YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So before changing your name, you must read these both options, and then you need to click on save. So this is the process by which you can change your name of your channel on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.